Reinstall a high-efficiency heating and cooling system in your home.
Is Illinois required monthly test day? Let's see it.
$4,000.
For more information, call us today or visit AmericanWeathermakers.com.
Are your feet craving ultimate comfort this summer? Look no further than Birkenstock sandals, the epitome of style and support. Picture this: you're strolling along the beach on Lake Michigan, feeling the soft sand beneath your toes, and your feet are thanking you every step of the way. Birkenstock sandals provide unparalleled comfort and promote natural foot alignment. Embrace the comfort, embrace the style.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies has been tested. If this has been an actual emergency, such as a severe thunderstorm, flash flood, or a civil emergency warning, official messages would have been followed the alert tone. This station serves the WBBM Illinois Metro Chicago area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Those stomach issues ruined your birthday.
Now there's a forecast for Valparaiso and surrounding.
Well, there you go.